easy, a 7-layer dip. You take some canola oil, refried beans. I love to put this in while it's cooking. It's called espezote.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's
really earthy.
It's earthy, great, and you know what? It helps with digestion. So later in the party, when you're eating the beans, you don't everyone experiences the beans.
You don't gas up the party.
Right, so you put that in when you're cooking, and then you take it out when you're...
You want me to build a layer?
Yeah, build a layer. So we build a layer, and I like to do... We actually don't put the espezote in. We take it out after it's cooked.
Whatever.
Right.
Whatever.
So you want to take that out. You don't want to really eat it. But that's fine.
You can. They sell dried espezote.
Yeah, you can. And then we want to do a layer of guacamole.
Yum.
I also like to do it in a thin layer. So when you actually put your chip in, you get a layer of everything. You know? So it's not 7-layer dip, you're dipping in the whole...
You gotta get the whole thing.
And it gets to be really pretty that way, you know? And then sour cream, I like to add cumin and lime to my sour cream.
Yum.
So it gives a little bit of a depth to that. And another layer on top of that. We add some cheese.
Oh, more cheese.
Yeah,
Don't be so cheap with your cheese, David.
I want to lose this thing. More cheese. Okay, lettuce, and then some olives, some scallions, and then I finish with radishes.
I love radishes, right? A little hint, a little
spice.
spicy, sassy crispiness.
And then we're gonna just top it off with some hot sauce.
Yeah!
Oh.
Delicious!
And then add it to our table. So I'd like to build a fun table if we're doing a game night. I like to take things that are dealing with the games. I like to take boxes of, you either have Twister or you have boxes of Operation,
Risk,
whatever.
Right.
And you do those as layers, or you can just take regular boxes like this and wrap them. So you wrap them with tape
construction
paper and make beautiful layers, and then just sort of make it
I love
fun.
this Twister table.
Yeah,
It's fun.
But don't spin the dial because they'll put their hand in your guacamole.
Oh, yes. Also, what's fun to do for labels? You take a Scrabble sign.
Oh, yeah.
And you
you
line
can
up
put out people's names. Yeah.
or their names or whatever.
So
cute. It's interactive. People get involved, and they can take dominoes while they're eating.